Hi, I'm Mark Rockwell of RocktonSoftware. We've been optimizing Microsoft Dynamics GP for over 10 years. I'd like to show you how SmartFill can dramatically change how you use Great Plains, making it smarter, simpler, faster, and easier to use. If you use Great Plains, I'll even pay you $25 just for watching this video because I'm so confident that you'll like what you see. One of the biggest challenges of software today is that computers don't talk the way that you and I do. For instance, if I need groceries, I just go down to Safeway. I don't go down to store SFW 342. So why in Great Plains are all the screens designed to talk with numbers and codes that don't make any sense to us? Take customers, for example. Here's a typical list of customers you might find in your Great Plains system. If I wanted to transact business with custom well services, what are the chances that CWS 056 are just there on the tip of my tongue? Not realistic, is it? Wouldn't it be nice if you could take something that you know, like the word well, and tell Great Plains well, and it just knew what you were talking about? Well, that's exactly what SmartFill does. It takes what you know and converts it to what the computer wants to hear. It's kind of like a Google search within your accounting system. Here's a practical real-world scenario. You type in well and press the tab key. SmartFill goes to work and finds all customers in your database with well in the name. It pops up a shortened list of matches. In this case, there are 4. SmartFill is smart. Note here how it found a customer with well in the name, as well as a customer with well in the city. Since we wanted well services, we just picked that customer, and SmartFill puts in what the computer wants to see, the ID, as if we knew all along what that was. Simple, huh? And if you're more specific, say if you typed in well service, SmartFill found just one match, then it would just fill in that ID as if you'd typed it, saving you from doing a lookup altogether. SmartFill isn't limited just to customers. It works with vendors, items, accounts, employees, pretty much anywhere there's an ID field inside of Great Plains, including third-party products. Have you got a complicated chart of accounts? Take a look at these accounts. If you've got random numbers in your account structure, or endless zeros like this, wouldn't it be nice if you could just type the word cash into your account number field and this account would be found for you? Or how about typing 1478 and having all the zeros fill in around it for you? Wouldn't that save a lot of time in data entry? Here's a common scenario. Are your employees set up with IDs that were originally entered based on the employee's last name? Lori here used to be named Lori Watson, but long after the employee ID was set up in Great Plains, her name changed to Johnson. With SmartFill, anywhere there's an employee ID field, we can just type in Lori's current last name, or her first name for that matter, and we'll find the Lori we were looking for, regardless of that outdated or complicated employee ID. The features and flexibility of SmartFill are endless. You can search any data throughout your system to find exactly what you want. It's fully customizable, easy to administer, and extremely simple to use. SmartFill works the way you expect a computer to work. At an initial cost of $150 per user, SmartFill can save you over 150 hours of data entry time and frustration per year. That works out to be less than a cup of coffee per day. But don't take my word for it. Listen to these unsolicited customer comments that we've collected. The comments are real, but as you might guess, the actors are not. I have wished from day one that Great Plains had this functionality. We're able to work much more efficiently with SmartFill. It's a great time saver. This is a must-have product. SmartFill made it much faster for them to find the data that they needed. The functionality that it adds to Great Plains is amazing. I installed SmartFill on our production server on Friday, and on Monday morning, I got this great big hug from one of our customer service reps, and the consultants forgot to install SmartFill on the new version, and I thought I'd lost my left arm. SmartFill is great for new hires at your company. They don't have to learn a lot of complicated numbering schemes in order to work around Great Plains. SmartFill. It's smart, and you'll love it.
To get your free trial version of SmartFill, call, click, or email us today. To receive your $25 reward, visit RocktonSoftware.com and click on the $25 challenge.